Yo, what is up, guys? Trinity back again with another video, man. I know I don't show my face a lot, guys, so I'm trying to show my face. This is me trying to show my face. Don't mind the hair, bruh. Don't mind the hair. So in this video, I'm gonna be making a Black Diamond beat, and yeah, leave the boy a follow and stay tuned to see what techniques I use to make the beats. Let's get into it. So the first thing I start off with when I'm making beats, bruh, I start off with the FL keys. Like, this is my go-to tool because I'm making an afro beat. Let's take the BPM to like 90, and then let's go with F. Now that I'm done with the chords, I'm gonna select sounds that I think are good for the beat. So I'm gonna try to be as quick as I can. the beat, but I want to add some voxes inside. So let's load up. Let's load up contact. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna fast forward this. Fast forwarding these things is not that easy. God don't have mercy on me. Lord, please have mercy on me, on me, on me, on me, oh. I have the God's eyes view. Okay, so now I have contact loaded up and I already have exhale in here. So what I have to do is find the key of my melody. So let's go to the melody. So how do I find the key that I'm working in? So normally I look at the first chord and this is like F, so it's F 1 2 3 4, so it's F major. So after finding the chord, I go to exhale, then I go here, I select my scale, it's major, it's F major, not F sharp, F actually, F major. Okay, so what I just did was everything that I play inside exhale is gonna be in the scale of F major. So let's find some sounds that I actually like and use for the beat. So you just have to go through the sounds and select the ones that you like, because these are just phrases. So you have to go through them and select the ones that you actually like. So this is gonna take long. So I'm gonna skip forward to when I select the sounds. So I ended up finding the sound that I actually like inside Exhale, and it sounds like this. So what I'm gonna do is take this and put it here and render it out. After it's done rendering, I'm just gonna chop this out. The reason why I rendered it out is because I want to save the CPU. And let's just crop it here, and yeah, then let's cut it. Boom. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of arranging. Let's split these. I'm clicking shift and control just to select everything here. Then I drag everything over here. Split the melody first. Split melody. Then the melody, I'm taking the rolls, the guitar, and the bass. 1 2 3 4 5. I think that's about enough. Then let's remove the kick here. We don't want the bass as well. That's the beat, guys. Drop me a follow and also give me a like if you like the video, and yeah, leave a comment if you want more. Also share with your friends, okay? Yeah, thank you, peace.